What's up, everybody? My name is Pixel Painter VR. We are back with a part 2 of Eating with Westside.
Cooking with Westside. Cooking with Westside. Cooking with Westside.
Ooh, it disappeared. Like the broccoli disappeared.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, wait, hold up. Let me go get something.
Yeah, we are gonna eat with Westside again.
Wrong thing. Hold up. Okay, I got it. I got the perfect thing. Okay, guys. Eating with Westside. Eating with Westside.
Yes, sir.
So first off, we got chocolate. That's good.
Hey, eat your fruit.
Shut the fuck up!
Whee! Hey, look, guys, I'm back. Dynamite.
We got the purple pumpkin pie. That's good. Oh shit.
Ding dong.
Oh shit.
Ding dong.
Hold up. I'll run.
Ooh, hello red.
Bombakla.
Hey, bro. Hey, Westside. I found this Taki. Let's go eat it.
Taki. Okay. Are you sure this is the Taki?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. It looks like
Okay.
a Taki.
I want to eat it without you, so.
I just realized I have a bunch of research points. Let's see get. Bro. Ooh, I could get the bomb.
That's the end of the video, guys.
Goodbye, and hope like and subscribe for more content. Goodbye.